Welcome to our channel. Are you looking for wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to make profit as a woodworker? Imagine entering a home adorned with various wooden elements. The first thing that greets you is the inviting aroma of polished wood, which evokes a sense of comfort. Unlike synthetic materials, wood possesses an inherent warmth that creates an immediate connection to nature. This connection is vital in our fast-paced, technology-driven lives, where nature often feels distant. Wood furniture and decor serve as a reminder of the natural world, grounding us in the present moment. In a world increasingly dominated by sleek, mass-produced materials, the allure of wood furniture and decor pieces remains timeless. Wood has a unique character and warmth that no other material can replicate. Its natural beauty, durability, and versatility make it an invaluable addition to any home. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture and wooden decor pieces ideas to make profit as a woodworker. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. One cannot overlook the aesthetic appeal of wood. Each piece tells a story through its unique grains, knots, and textures, offering an authenticity that manufactured materials lack. The deep hues of mahogany, the lightness of pine, and the intricate patterns of oak bring depth and character to any room. When light filters through a window, it dances on the surfaces of wooden furniture, enhancing the beauty of its natural imperfections. This interplay of light and shadow creates a dynamic visual experience, elevating the overall ambience of the home. Beyond aesthetics, wood is known for its durability. Unlike many materials that wear down or become outdated, well-crafted wood furniture can last for generations. This durability makes wood a sound investment for homeowners. A solid wooden table can withstand the rigors of daily life, family meals, homework sessions, and even the occasional craft project, without losing its charm. When cared for properly, wood develops a rich patina over time, adding to its character and beauty. The sense of history that accompanies well-loved wooden pieces enhances their value, making them treasured heirlooms. Moreover, wood furniture and decor pieces contribute to a healthier home environment. Unlike synthetic materials that can emit harmful chemicals, wood is a natural product. It promotes better indoor air quality by absorbing moisture and regulating humidity, creating a more comfortable living space. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with allergies or respiratory issues, as wood does not harbor dust mites or allergens in the same way that upholstery or carpets can. The natural properties of wood, combined with its aesthetic appeal, make it an ideal choice for creating a serene and healthy home. Another significant advantage of wood is its versatility. It can seamlessly blend into various design styles, from rustic to modern, traditional to contemporary. The adaptability of wood allows homeowners to express their personal style while maintaining a cohesive look throughout their space. Whether it's a sleek wooden accent piece in a minimalist room or a reclaimed wood table in a cozy cottage, wood can enhance the overall design without overwhelming it. This versatility extends to color and finish as well. Wood can be stained or painted to match any decor, providing endless possibilities for customization. The emotional connection people have with wood furniture and decor is profound. There is something inherently comforting about wooden pieces that evokes feelings of nostalgia and security. These items often remind us of family gatherings, holiday celebrations, and quiet moments spent at home. The presence of wood in a space can foster a sense of belonging, making it feel more inviting and personal. As families gather around a wooden table or relax on a wooden porch, they create lasting memories that are intertwined with the very materials of their home. In addition to its emotional resonance, wood also encourages sustainability. As society becomes more conscious of environmental issues, choosing sustainably sourced wood furniture becomes a responsible choice. Many manufacturers prioritize eco-friendly practices, using wood from responsibly managed forests. This commitment to sustainability ensures that future generations can enjoy the beauty of wood while protecting the environment. By opting for wooden decor items, homeowners contribute to a greener planet, supporting practices that promote biodiversity and ecological balance. The tactile experience of wood is another benefit that cannot be overlooked. Unlike cold, hard metals or plastics, wood is warm to the touch, inviting interaction. The smooth finish of a well-crafted piece feels comforting in hand, encouraging people to engage more with their environment. Whether it's running fingers along the grain of a wooden table or leaning against a wooden railing, these interactions deepen our connection to our homes. This tactile quality fosters mindfulness, reminding us to appreciate the beauty of everyday objects. Moreover, wood has a timeless quality that transcends trends. While design fads come and go, wood remains a staple in home decor. Its enduring appeal means that wood furniture and decor can adapt to changing styles without losing their charm. Homeowners can confidently invest in wooden pieces, knowing that they will remain relevant and beautiful for years to come. This timelessness also allows for easy integration with new decor elements, making it simple to refresh a space without completely overhauling it. In conclusion, the benefits of wood furniture and decor pieces extend far beyond their physical attributes. Wood embodies a timeless beauty that connects us to nature, evokes emotional responses, and fosters a sense of belonging. Its durability ensures that it can withstand the test of time, becoming a cherished part of our lives and the stories we share. By choosing wood, homeowners embrace sustainability, craftsmanship, and the warmth of genuine materials, creating spaces that reflect their values and nurture their souls. Wood furniture and decor not only beautify our spaces, but also enrich our lives, providing a canvas for memories, creativity, and connection. In a world that often rushes by, wood invites us to slow down, appreciate the beauty around us, and celebrate the moments that truly matter. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decor pieces ideas to make profit as a woodworker. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.